Hi, my name is Mike Love, and I'd like to ask you a question. Is there a goal that you've set for yourself that you're having trouble achieving? Now, it could be any type of goal. It could be a performance goal like running a 5K marathon, or it could be an educational goal, earning a degree in some specific field. Or it could be a career goal, getting that job that you've always wanted. Or perhaps it's a personal goal, having more time for your family or for yourself. One thing that is very helpful in achieving a goal is to have a plan. So, this is where the third ray is very, very beneficial. Now, the third ray is called the ray of active intelligence, and I like to call it the get her done ray. And when you work with the third ray, you can actually put together a plan that's going to have a step-by-step outline of the steps that you need to take in order to successfully achieve that plan, that goal. Now, it'll also help you organize the resources that are required to achieve the goal. Sometimes you need extra resources or outside expertise, or you need somebody to help you and assist you in completing that goal. Sometimes you need extra resources like money, for example. So when you work with the third ray, you can actually start attracting those resources to you. About a year and a half ago, I had an interest in learning how to play the guitar better. Now, I've played the guitar for the last 50 years, but I wanted to learn how to do it better. At the time, I was volunteering as a mentor in a beekeeping class, and one night, one of the students after class informed me that he is indeed a guitar instructor, and I have been taking lessons from him ever since. So now you might say, well, you know, finding a guitar instructor is a little bit different than completing a 4-year degree, and it's true, it is. But the beauty of it is that the third ray works on things that are both large and relatively small. So, let me suggest that you go out to the website, 12rays.com, and you listen to the guided meditation that I have recorded there for you, and you connect with the energy of the third ray. And if there is a certain goal that you have had difficulty in achieving, go ahead and start to create that plan and let those steps, those individual one-by-one steps, just come to you to create that plan to achieve that goal. That's the way the third ray works. So, thanks for taking time to watch this video, and be on the lookout for more in the future. Thanks very much.